Hello children, today we are going to see the third unit. So what is your third unit? Your third unit is percentage and average. Percentage and average. So what is meant by percentage? Listen, the word per, P-E-R, per means out of. So what is the meaning of per? Out of. Okay. What is the meaning of cent? Meaning of cent means 100. Cent means 100. So we all know centum means 100, isn't it? So cent means 100. So thus percent means for every 100. Percent means for every 100. Okay? For example, Arun scored 79 marks out of 100. So Arun scored 79 marks out of 100. The symbol of percentage is this is the symbol of percentage. That the symbol of percentage is this one. Okay. Now how will you write 79 marks out of 100? So we can write 79 by 100. So Arun scored 79 out of 100. 100 is 79 marks. So how will you express this as percentage? So we can write 79 percentage. Okay. Another one example. Ravi scored 99 out of 100. 99 out of 100. How will you express this as percentage? 99 percentage. Okay. Let us see the exercise sums. Okay children. Next we see exercise 3.1. Convert into percentage. Okay. Listen. First question. 11 by 100. This is in fraction form. Convert this fraction form into percentage. How will you convert? Already it is in the denominator it is 100. So your answer is, how will you write this? 11 percentage. Okay. Similarly second question, 67 by 100. Answer 67 percentage. Okay. So 67 out of 100. So you can write 67 percentage. In denominator, number should be 100. Okay. Listen. Third sum. 3 by 20. Here in this fraction, denominator it is 20. There are two methods. ரெண்டு method இருக்கு. First method, we have to convert this denominator as 100. 20 வரக்கூடாது. First sum மாதிரி 100 வரணும். Second sum மாதிரி denominator ல 100. So to make the denominator as 100, okay, what we have to do? First method. This is the first method. So you write the given fraction. Okay. You have to multiply the denominator and the numerator by what number? 20 into 5. 20 into 5 you will get 100. So same number you have to multiply in the numerator also. So 3 into 5. Okay. Numerator you denominator same number ala multiply பண்றோம். Denominator ல 100 வரணும். 20 இருக்கு. 20 எப்படி 100 பண்ணுவ? You have to multiply into 5. So 25s are 100. Now you multiply 3 5s are 15. 25s are 100. So இப்போ என்ன பண்ணிட்டோம்? 20 ய 100 ஆ பண்ணிட்டோம். எப்படி பண்ணோம்? We are multiplying the numerator and denominator by 5. 5 ஆல multiply பண்ணும்போது 20 into 5 will get 100. Now you write the answer. What is the answer? 15 out of 100. So 15 percentage is the answer. This is the first method. First method என்ன பண்றோம்? Denominator என்ன நம்பர் இருக்கோ 100 ஆ கன்வர்ட் பண்ணனும். அதுக்கு நம்பரை போட்டு மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணனும். Okay, whatever the number, to make 100 you have to multiply in that number. Next we see the second method. So second method, you write the given fraction. Given fraction எழுதிட்டு into 100 percentage. So fraction into percentage எப்படி கன்வர்ட் பண்ணனும்? Fraction into 100 percentage. Simple. Okay. that is equal to, so in between it is in multiplication symbol, so we can cut using multiplication tables. See here denominator 20, so we are going to use 20 table to cut. Okay, denominator 20 irukku, so 20 ones are 20, 25s are 100. Okay, 20 ones are 20, 25s are 100. Now you write the remaining digits. 3 into 5 கட் பண்ணி எழுதிக்கிற நம்பர் 5 மட்டும் எழுதணும். கீழே denominator 1, that is equal to 3 5s are percentage symbol is அப்படியே இருக்கு. Okay, now 3 5s are 15 percentage. So denominatorல 1 எழுதணும்ங்கற அவசியம் இல்ல. Okay, so the answer is 15 percentage. Okay children, see second sum solution. So first method, what is the first method, how to solve? Listen, 14 by 50. First method என்ன பண்ணனும், denominatorல 100 வரணும். So here 50, so 50 100 வரணும்னா என்ன பண்ணனும், 2 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணனும். So into 2, numeratorலயும் 2 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணனும். Okay, the same number. So you now you multiply 14 2s are 28, 14 2s are 28 divided by 50 2s are 100, 50 2s are 100. Now the answer is, so 28 out of 100, how will you write? 28 percentage. This is the first method. Second method is, you can write any method in the exam. So you write the given question 14 by 50. What you have to do? You have to multiply into 100 percentage. Okay? First method denominator 100 பண்றோம். Second method what you have to do? You have to multiply into 100 percentage. So now you cut using the 50 table. 150s are 50. நடுவுல multiplication symbol இருந்தா மட்டும் தான் கட் பண்ண முடியும். plus ஓ minus ஓ இருந்தா கட் பண்ண முடியாது. So it is a multiplication symbol. So 51s are 50, 52s are 100. Okay, now you write the remaining digits 14 into 2 percentage. Denominator 1 இருக்கு. That is equal to 14 2s are 28 percentage. This is your answer. In both the method, answer remains the same. Okay? Okay children, let us see the another sum. Next we see exercise 3.2, convert into fractions. Convert into fractions. So exercise 1 la convert into percentage பார்த்தோம். fraction கொடுத்து percentage, இப்ப percentage கொடுத்து fraction convert பண்ணோம். Okay? So convert into fractions. First question 9 percentage. So how will you write 9 percentage? 9 by 100. This is fraction form. This is your answer. Now the numerator is in odd number 9. Denominator even number. So we cannot cut using. Second sum 60 percentage. So how will you write 60 percentage as fraction? 60 by 100. Okay, 60 by 100. So numerator denominator it is even number. Again using multiplication tables we are going to cut. So 60 100 எந்த டேபிள் வரும், 10 டேபிள் வரும். So 10 டேபிள கட் பண்ண போறோம். 10 6 are 10 6 are 60, 10 10s are 100. So எந்த டேபிள கட் பண்ண போறோம், 10 டேபிள். Okay, 10 டேபிள்ல 10 6 are 60. So 60 கட் பண்ணி 6 எழுதிருக்கு. Again 100 எப்ப வரும், 10 10s are 100, 100 கட் பண்ணி 10. So you write the answer, கட் பண்ண number 6 by 10. 6 by 10. Again 6 and 10 will be coming in 2 table. இந்த 2 table ல கட் பண்ண போறோம். Okay, so 2 table ல 6 அப்புறம் 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 10 அப்புறம் 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10. Now your answer is, you write the cut பண்ண numbers மட்டும் தான் எழுதணும். So 3 by 5 is the fraction form. Okay, your answer is 3 by 5 is your answer. Similarly, let us see the third sum. 64 percentage. 64 percentage can be expressed as 64 by 100. So the first step. Now again it is a even number. So என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? 2 table cut பண்ண போறோம். Okay, listen. So listen carefully. 2 table cut பண்ண போறோம். First 6. 2 3s are 6. 6 cut பண்ணிட்டோம். 2 2s are 4. So இங்க 2 5s are 10. 52s are 100 இல்லையா? 52s are 100. You write cut பண்ண number 32 by 50. Again it is a numerator denominator even number. So 2 table cut பண்ணலாம். So 1 3s are 3 balance 1. 6 2s are 12. So 16 2s are 32. Again 2 table. So திரும்ப 2 table cut பண்றோம். 16 2s are 32. 25 2s are 100. 25 2s are 50. சரியா? So 16 by 25. So 16 by 25. Now listen. 16 is a numerator even number. கீழ denominatorல odd number 25. So we cannot cut. ஒரே டேபிள்ல கட் பண்ணனும். ஆனா கட் பண்ண முடியாது. அப்படியே வெச்சுக்கிறோம். Okay? So your fraction form is 16 by 25 is your answer. Next we are going to see finding the value of the percentage of a quantity. Okay, finding the value of the percentage of a quantity. Listen, 8% of 50. What is the 8% of 50? Listen, solution. So how will you find 8% of 50? So you write 8% of 50 means offங்கிற இடத்துல into போடணும். Okay, 8% into 50. Next step, 8% can be written as 8 by 100. So 8% can be written as 8 by 100 into 50. Next step, that is equal to, using multiplication tables we are going to cut. Okay, so இங்க நடுவுல into symbol. So இப்ப multiplication table வச்சு கட் பண்ண போறோம். எந்த டேபிள்? 50 டேபிள். 50 ones are 50. 50 twos are 100. So 50 cut பண்ணி 1 time, 100 cut பண்ணி 2 time போட்டுட்டேன். So you write the remaining numbers. 8 into 1 divided by 2. 8 into 1 divided by 2. Okay. Now that is equal to 8 by 2. 8 ones are 8 by 2. Now using multiplication table of 2. 2 table cut பண்ண போறோம். 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are 8. That is equal to 4 by 1. So 4 by 1 can be written as 4. So the answer is, so what percentage கேட்டா எத்தனை percent? 8% of 50 means 4 is the answer. So your answer is 8% of 50 means your answer is 4. Okay? Next sum, 5% of rupees 500. So suppose if you are going for shopping, அதுல 5% discount கொடுத்தாங்க உன்னோட ட்ரெஸ்ஸுக்கு அப்படினா எப்படி வந்து கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது? 5% discount of your dress, that is cost rupees 500 அப்படினா எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம்? Listen. So 5% of rupees 500. So dress கடைக்கு போற ஒரு dress எடுக்கற அது 500, அதுக்கு 5% discount. So அதோட நீ எவ்வளவு கட்டினா போதும், எவ்வளவு பே பண்ணா போதுங்கறத கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். Okay, listen. So solution, 5%. So ஆஃப்ங்கறதுல என்ன பண்ணும்? Into rupees 500. Next step, 5% can be written as 5 by 100 into rupees 500. So next step என்ன பண்றோம்? Using multiplication tables we are going to cut. So இங்க 100 க்கு denominatorல. So 100 table cut பண்ணிடலாம். நடுவுல into symbol. So 100s are 100. 5 into 100 is 500. Okay. Now you write the remaining digits. 5 into இங்கேயும் 5. So 500 கட் பண்ணி தான் 5 வந்திருக்கு. So கட் பண்ண நம்பர் that is rupees 5. That is equal to 5 5s are 25. So rupees 25. So rupees 25 வந்து discount. Okay va? So 5% of 5% of rupees 500 means 25 rupees is a discount. So 500 la 25 less panni 475 you can pay. Okay children. So once again I repeat. 5% of rupees 500. 5% of rupees 500 எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? So 5% of means into. Of means into rupees 500. So 5% into rupees 500. Next 5% can be written as 5 by 100 into rupees 500. Next, so using multiplication tables, 100 ones are 100, 5 into 100, 500. Okay, so 5 5s are 25. So rupees 25 is the answer. Next third sum, what answer? What 20% of 70 kilogram? What is the answer of 20% of 70 kilogram? So first step, 20% of means into 70 kilogram. So 20% can be written as 20 by 100 into 70 kilogram. So இப்போ 10 table cut பண்ண போறோம். Okay? 7 tens are 70. 10 tens are 100. So cut பண்ண numbers மட்டும் எழுதுங்க. 2 by 10. So 100 வராது 10 ஏனா 100 கட் பண்ணி தான் 10 tens are 100. So 10 into இங்க என்ன எழுதணும் 7 kilogram. So 70 கட் பண்ணி என்ன எழுதிருக்கோம் 7 எழுதிருக்கோம். இப்போ again இங்க numerator 20 denominator 10 using 10 table. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. ரெண்டுமே even numbers ஆறதுனால கட் பண்ணிட்டோம். So 2 by 1 into 7. So 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. 2 sevens are 14. So 2 sevens are 14 kilogram. So your answer is, so what is the answer of 20% of 70 kilogram is 14 kilogram. Okay children, let us see another sum. Thank you. Next, expressing a given quantity as a percentage of total quantity. So கொடுத்த quantity percentage கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் of total quantity. Okay, so see the first sum, 25 gram of 500. So what percentage of 25 gram of 500 gram? So இங்கேயும் gram இங்கேயும் gram equal quantity இருக்கணும். So இங்கேயும் gram. Okay, now we are going to find the percentage of 25 gram of 500 gram. So எப்படி எவ்வளவு percentage of 25 gram of 500 gram? So for first step, 25 out of total 500. So 500 எங்க எழுதணும் denominator எழுதணும். So இங்க 25 gram divided by 500. So here also you write gram, here also you write gram. Into percentage ல கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So into 100%. Okay, that is equal to, listen, so gram cut ஆயிரும். Now using multiplication tables we are going to strike out. Listen carefully. 100 table, 100 ones are 100, 100 fives are 500. You write the digits. 25 by 5 percentage symbol அப்படியே இருக்கு. So இப்போ கண்டுபிடிக்க பார்க்கலாம். 1 5 again numerator and denominator ல odd number. So using 5 table, 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. So cut பண்ண number என்ன 5%. 5 by 1 is nothing but 5 I told. So 5% of 25 gram of 500 gram. So your answer is 5%. சரியா? See the second sum. What percentage of 144 of 400? So solution, first step என்ன பண்ணும் 144 out of 400. into 100 percentage. Now using multiplication tables again, 100 ones are 100, 100 fours are 400. So 144 divided by 4 percentage symbol appeared. Okay. Next you divide. How will you divide? 144 divided by 4. Okay. 4 4 threes are. So what is 4 threes are? 12. 14 minus 12 is 2. You bring down 4. 5 fours are 20. 6 fours are 24. So what is your answer? 36. 36 percentage is your answer of 144 of 400. Okay. Next third sum. What percentage of 14 kilometer of 35 kilometer? So solution. So 14 kilometer of means out of 35 kilometer. So what percentage means into 100 percentage. First step என்ன பண்ணுவோம் இங்க கிலோமீட்டர் இந்த கிலோமீட்டர் கட் ஆயிடும். So now இங்க using multiplication tables we are going to cut பண்ண போறோம். So இங்க 35 100 5 டேபிள்ல கட் பண்ணலாம். 5 sevens are 5 table. So 5 sevens are 35. 5 20s are 100. So 5 20s are 100. So 14 by 7 into 20 percentage. Now listen. So in numerator 14, denominator 7. So 7 table. 1 sevens are 7. 2 sevens are 14. That is equal to 2 into in a percentage 20 percentage. Denominator 1 is 1 எழுத தேவையில்ல. Okay. Now we multiply 2 into 20 percentage. That is equal to 40 percentage is the answer. So 40 percentage is your answer. So what percentage of 14 kilometer of 35 kilometer? That is 40 percentage is your answer. Thank you children.